Good morning, gardening family. So it's a little cold out today. What did I just step on? Let me see what the temperature is. Not a little, it's a lot. It's 47 degrees. And this slug, it keeps eating all of my plants, and I can't find the stupid slug. Like, it has its little nastiness everywhere. Where do slugs hide? Because when I find it, it's war. It's war. I'm gonna throw it all the way into the woods. I am so sick and tired of this thing. I have not the slightest idea on how to get rid of it, or how to deter it away from my plant. I think about to just put some salt around my plants. Not like on the soil, but on the container. Let me show you guys. So it's basically eating, it ate all of my collards, so there's that. Here are my no, that's not dino curl, this is cucumbers. So it has this little nasty slime all over my cucumbers. I swear, when I find it, you guys, we're going to war. Ooh, me and that thing is going to go to war. I lie to you not. Like, and I honestly don't know where it is. Like, do it come every day? Because I put my plants back into here. I put them back in here and I zip it up. Of course they can get in from like the bottom, but I cannot find it. I'm gonna take all of this out. Let me see how much time I have before I have to be signed in for work. All right, I got 27 minutes. I'm about to hurry up and take all of this out and see if I can find that little stupid slug. Alright, I can't find it. I have looked all within this greenhouse. I'm about to just put salt around it at this point. I'm gonna just have to put salt like around this, because that thing is gonna drive me bonkers. Like, I don't know where it could be hiding, or if it just comes back every day, but I know it's getting on my nerves, because now I have to just go ahead and toss my collards. I mean, it's probably too late for them anyway, but still,